Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson of D1 chapter number 9 exercise 9D, that is about the constant and average speed. In this class students will be learning and discussing intermediate level question number 8, and the basic formula and the rule that we have to keep in our mind is that speed equals to distance traveled upon time taken. And if we need to find the time will be equal to distance upon speed. Keeping this formula in our mind, let's move to the reading and discussion of this question. I always advise it to my students that first read, understand and underline important terms of the question, and always integrate and compare your lesson with the previous lesson so that you can find the similarities and differences between the questions, so that learning becomes perfect. Question 8 says 2 points L and N are 160 meters apart. M lies on the straight line joining L and N. An object travels from L to M at an average speed of 10 meters per second in 6 seconds, and then from M to Y at an average speed of 25 meters per second. Find the average speed of the object for its entire journey from L to N. Okay, let's try to understand the question once again. That let me draw the figure for the understanding of the question. Okay, that there are 2 points with us and they are 160 meters apart. What do we understand by the term 160 meters apart? L and N are 160 meters, that the distance between the points. Distance between the points is 160 meters. And then the question says that M lies on the straight line joining L and M. Now the problem is, in the previous question number 7, question was saying that M is the midpoint. Here the question does not say M is the midpoint, so we cannot say that M will be at such situation that the distance of L to M and M to N is same. M can be anywhere. Okay, let me mark the point M here on the diagram. An object from L to M at an average speed of 10 meters per second. Speed of the object from L to M is 10 meters per second in 6 seconds. Time is 6 seconds. And then what is happening next? From M to N, the speed is 25 meters per second, and time we do not know how much time the object is traveling from M to N. Okay, and we have to find the average speed for the entire journey. So we have to find the average speed for the entire journey. Average speed will be equal to total distance upon total time. So what we are going to do is that we do not know about how much total time he is taking, the object is taking from M to N. So first of all, with the help of the given distance and with the help of the given speed, we have to find the time taken for the journey from M to N. But the problem is with the question is that from L to M he is moving with the different speed, so obviously he will be covering some distance with this speed and time as well. So first we have to find that how much distance out of 160 meters he has traveled from L to M. So for L to M, first we are going to find the distance traveled from L to M. Speed which is given is 10 meters per second, and the time which is given is time which is given is 6 seconds. So as we know that speed equals to distance traveled upon time taken, and we need to find the time distance. So speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. So what we are going to do is that 10 multiplied by 6 is equals to distance. So distance from L to M, okay, is 10 multiplied by 6 is 60 meters. So it means that out of 160 meters, 60 meters he has traveled from L to M and from M to N. 160 minus 60, which is equal to 100 meters, is the distance. Now with the help of this distance, what we are going to do is that for M to N, now we have the speed with us, we have the distance with us. Time equals to what we are going to do, distance upon speed, and this will give me 100 divided by 25. So 25 ones are and 25 fours are, which is equal to 4 seconds. So it means the total time taken for entire journey taken will be equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10 seconds. And now actual requirement of question: average speed for the entire journey. Speed, total distance is 160 upon 10, which is equal to 16 meter per second. So the average speed for entire journey equals to 16 meter per second. I hope you are really clear about this question. For better understanding of the next question, please must watch this and the previous lesson properly, for which I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.